this is question number 2. Work out the value of mk cube divided by square root of 3 for m is equal to 4 and k is equal to 7. So what we have to do in the solution is substitute m is equal to 4 and k is equal to 7 in mk3 over root of 3. So 4 times k is 7 raised to the power of 3 divided by square root of 3. Now 7 is multiplied 3 times, so that is going to give you 4 times of 343, and you multiply 4, you get 4 3s are 12, 1, 16, 17, 1, 12, 13, 1372 divided by root of 3. Now you can multiply by root 3 and divide by root 3. That would give you 1372 times root of 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now see if you can divide this by 3. It's not possible, because when it comes to 17, 15, 22 will have a remainder. So what you can do is you can multiply these two and divide by 3. So you can use your calculator. So 1.732 is the value for root of 3. I'm just taking this value. So 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6, 2, 3 2s are 6, 7 3s are 21, 2, 9, 11, 1, 3 1s are 3, 4, 7 2s are 14, 1, 49, 55, 7 3s are 21, 26, 2, and 9, and 2, 3, or I would say 2, 7, 3, 1. So you can just add up these two, and 4, 10, 1, 10, 11, 12, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 11 and 17, 1, 10, 13, 1, 2. So after the decimal point you got 3 places, so 1, 2, 3. So this is 2376.204. You divide by 3. So 3 divides here 7 times, 7 3s are 21, 2 remainder 27. You get a 9, and 3 2s are 6, and a decimal point, and 0, 6 3s are 18, and you carry out 2 and you get 8. So this is equal to 792.06. Okay, that's an approximate value, and we move on to the next one.